warning.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Cook County in northeast Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, eastern Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeast Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., National Weather Service radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located 9 miles south of Oswego and moving east at 35 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Plainfield by 4:50 p.m., Romeoville by 5:05 p.m., Bolingbrook and Lockport by 5:10 p.m., Woodridge by 5:15 p.m., Lamont and Homer Glen by 5:20 p.m., Darien by 5:25 p.m. Move indoors away from windows until the storm has passed. A severe thunderstorm